Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone, and this is the new Jobsite Saw Pro from SawStop. It's brand new, and we're giving you a first look. This new Jobsite Saw Pro from SawStop has several upgrades over their previous Jobsite saw. So, what are those upgrades? I'm really glad you asked. First up is tabletop size. The top is 2 inches larger front to back when compared to their original Jobsite saw, and those 2 inches are in front of the saw blade. Also, you'll notice that SawStop has removed the handholds from the tabletop, giving you a clean, flat surface. But the biggest change in my mind is the active dust collection blade guard, which enhances dust control significantly. So why is this big news? Well, dust collection is important in any setting. But for guys like me who are downsizing to smaller shops, this sort of job site saw will likely be my main table saw, and effective dust collection will be so important. In fact, to make the most of the active dust collection blade guard and the rear dust port, we've connected just a couple of fittings and some hoses to a single vacuum source. You can find a list of these hoses and fittings in the video description. This saw is outfitted with the T-Glide HighLow Fence as a standard feature. The detachable low fence is so handy when working with thin stock. And like the previous model, it has under the top storage, which is so handy. While this saw is smaller in stature than a contractor saw or even cabinet saw, it still takes a full-size dado using the dado brake, which is really important to me if this is going to be my only saw in my shop. Of course, a significant advantage of the Jobsite Saw Pro is that it stores everything well, and it folds up to be easily transported or stored in your shop. I have to say that I'm positively impressed by the Jobsite Saw Pro. Not only does it have all of the safety features that you've come to expect from SawStop, like the SawStop contact detection system and their great riving knives, but it's a super little table saw in a portable package. This saw is now available for purchase, and you can check out more details at SawStop.com or at Rockler.com. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal. Thank you for watching.